How often do we truly pay attention to our tires? They endure all sorts of abuse such as potholes and extreme weather, yet we often neglect their well-being. Amidst the chaos of traffic jams and busy offices, with deadlines and meetings to attend, our tires' health often get neglected. It's no surprise that tire maintenance isn't always top of mind until it's too late.
Introducing TireWise, tire maintenance mobile application with integrated AI features. Simply snap a picture of your tire with ease and confirm image to get the result of your tire scan. Or choose from your gallery and crop as instructed, confirm the image to get scanned. And voila, instant scan results at your fingertips. Manage all your vehicles with a single click, simplifying the process like never before. Experience the magic of our captivating vehicle dashboard designed for seamless vehicle management. Dive deep into your tire scan history and keep track of your tire health journey. Create customized reminders for your vehicles in seconds. Simply choose the type, date, and time and let TireWise handle the rest. Manage all your reminders effortlessly in one place. Dive into our comprehensive tire catalog guide, ensuring you choose the perfect match for your adventures. Experience the future of tire care with TireWise, where simplicity meets sophistication and help contribute towards road safety. Download now and embark on a journey of hassle-free maintenance today.